If your Ram 3500's Apple CarPlay is glitching or refusing to connect, don't head to the dealership just yet. Over 70% of CarPlay failures in heavy-duty trucks are actually caused by low-quality charging cables. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your Uconnect system back online. Start with a soft reset of the Uconnect head unit by holding both knobs until the screen goes dark. Sometimes the issue is in your pocket. Make sure Siri is enabled and your iOS is fully updated. Always use a certified Apple cable that is 3 feet or shorter to maintain a stable data connection. While wireless CarPlay is convenient, it is prone to local interference that a wired connection avoids. As you can see, 90% of these issues can be solved at home without a trip to the dealer. If you're still stuck, check for a Uconnect firmware update that can be installed via USB drive. Grab a fresh cable and some compressed air to ensure your hardware is as clean as your software. Remember, always park your truck before diving into these menus to ensure you stay safe on the road. With these steps, your Ram's CarPlay should be back in action. Stay tuned for more heavy-duty tech tips.